Hello, store owners! Today I'm going to walk you through the wholesale quote process on my store, from adding products to a quote all the way through to converting an approved quote into an actual order. This is how my wholesale customers request custom pricing without going through the standard checkout. Here I am on a product page. My wholesale customers see an Add to Quote button instead of Add to Cart. I'll click that to add this product to my current quote. This button shows up on product pages, the shop page, and the cart, anywhere my customer is browsing. As I add products, this floating counter badge keeps track of everything in my current quote. If I click it, I get a drop-down preview showing exactly what's in there. It's great for keeping an eye on the quote without having to navigate away from the shop. When I'm ready to review everything, I head to the quote page. Here I can see all my items, adjust quantities, remove products, and add any special notes to the admin. It's worth taking a moment here to double-check quantities before submitting. Scrolling down, I'll fill in my contact details. My email address is required. Everything else is optional. Once I'm happy with my items and details, I'll hit Submit Quote to send it through to the store admin for review. After submitting, I can track everything from the quote section in my account. Each quote shows its number, date, status, and total. I can filter by status, pending, approved, declined, expired, or converted. A blue badge means there's a new message from the admin waiting for me. Clicking into a quote shows me the full breakdown, line items, any expiry date, admin messages, and the quote history. If my quote is still pending or has expired, I'll see an edit button here, so I can make changes and resubmit. When the admin approves my quote, I get an email notification. I open the quote in my account and I'll see this green Place Order button. I click it, and the quote converts into a WooCommerce order at the approved pricing. Simple as that. And that's the full wholesale quote flow. I'll link the documentation below if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.